Hello guys and welcome back on channel. Today I show how to answer for the crypto quiz from the Revolut. We have new crypto quiz, so let's restart. Go to tab crypto, scroll to bottom to section features, button learn, find Pyth crypto lesson like here, and we have 3 lessons. Let's start from the lesson number 1. Read about this, and if you're ready, we can start. What is the Oracle problem? Blockchains can send or receive data from external systems. Which statement represents Pyth core business model? Pyth connect markets data to blockchains. Which of the following categories are majority of Pyth tokens used for ecosystem growth? And submit. Lesson number 1 is done. Go to lesson number 2. Read about this. And if you're ready, we can go to crypto quiz. If price fits consists of the interaction between the following parties: financial institution, Pyth network, and applications. What are the benefits of pooling Oracle model vs a push Oracle models? Trust, cost, and speed. How many cross-chain updates has Pyth published? Over 1 billion. And submit. Lesson number 2 is done. Go to last lesson number 3. Read about this. If you're ready, we can start. Who does Oracle Integrity Staking protect? DeFi application and their users. When can stake token be slashed and distributed to impacted parties? When data providers publish inaccurate data. Pyth network is the first Oracle to offer protection for all published price feed data. And submit. Very well, we finished lesson. We got some cryptocurrency. We can check this. Back to our list. So more, and we search Pyth. Like you see, we have cryptocurrency here. If you want to know how to answer for the rest of this cryptocurrency quiz on the Revolut, go to my previous videos. I answer for all of the quiz what Revolut published. And if you have any question about this topic, put this question below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.